What's up, guys? It's Dukes. It is the first day of June, midnight, 12:05 on a Saturday night, and I just wanted to hop on here to just give you guys a personal video, like just be talking to you guys and get more personal with you guys, because I know you guys want to see more of me and what I do every single day, and I'm not gonna sneeze, and just have a better relationship with me, because I feel like, you know, you guys are my friends. Like, you guys are my supporters, and you guys watch my content every single day, and that just means a lot to me. And just a way to get closer with you guys is my goal. So that's what I'm doing through YouTube. But yeah, I'm gonna just sit here like you're my friend sitting there, and I'm just talking to you, you know, just about life, about, you know, the motivation and the discipline I have to become, you know, who I want to be, trading, obviously, and just random stuff. I'm on the balcony right now, just chilling. I am gonna make a steak. Yeah, I know it's midnight, but we had a very good week in trading this week, so I deserve a steak. My Discord my Discord always makes it known that you have to eat steak for dinner if you win a trade that day. So like, I have people sending in their steaks for dinner at night, and it's so cool to see, because like, I started a community. I started, you know, a community of people, over 5,000 people now, which is crazy, that can just like talk to each other if they have no one else to talk to. If they could talk to each other, if they just wanted to say what's up, they could send in their dinner at night. Like, it's like you create your own world, and it just blows my mind every time I think about it. Back to trading, like these past couple weeks, like SPY, QQQ, IWM, the ones that trade the ETFs, they've been super choppy lately. You know, we have tariffs, Trump, you know, random news that really just screws up the market. And they've been just acting like they've been super choppy lately, and that's why I haven't traded them as much. I've been more into like swings on stocks and like, you know, high volatility tech and AI stocks like Tesla, you know, AMD, ARM, stuff like that. Just swinging them. Like, swing is the method. Jeez, what is biting me on my arm? Swing trading is low-key the method, I can't lie. Like, it has made me a lot more money in a shorter amount of time than scalping. But at the same time, like, there's a lot of risk to it. There's risk with everything in trading, though. So I make sure to have good risk management with my swing trades, and that's why I think I've been doing so well with them. You know, if you're like a trader and you want to get into swing trading, and you're like, yeah, but I just don't know when to get out, and I don't know where to put my stop loss because it's like a longer term trade. Dude, just have the same risk management as you have with your scalps. Just have the same exact risk management. Yes, you're gonna have to have a bigger stop loss or a bigger take profit, but the rules you follow as a trader can never change, right? Like, for example, I, you know, only trade after 10 a.m. Every single day, because I created these rules when I created my strategy and when I became profitable. And these rules have been helping me so much, because I know that I would be in disappointment I would be disappointed in myself if I saw myself break my trading rules, break my discipline rules. And just thinking about that just makes me never want to do it, because I'm just so hard on myself. So that's really the biggest thing that, you know, changed my life with trading, is really just being disciplined towards my rules that I set for myself. And it helps you in everyday life too. Like, for example, like being more disciplined on the charts will translate into real life. Being more disciplined in real life will translate to the charts, because it's the same thing. It's just discipline. And discipline is the biggest thing I teach in my Discord to my mentorship students and all my students. It'll change your life, because once you become disciplined, you know, in your real life, you're going to make a lot more money on the charts. You're going to be happier. You're going to be better looking. You're going to be in better shape, and just all the above. It's just, all discipline is telling yourself you're going to do something, telling others you're going to do something, telling whatever, and doing it. If you do it, you will become 1% better that day. That's why I have 1% on my phone. I have 1% on my phone because there's a couple reasons. One, because become 1% better every day. It's a reminder every time I look at my phone. Also, be a part of the 1% club. Don't be like everybody else. Don't be average. That's my biggest fear. I swear. I don't want to be average. I know I've said it in a previous video, but just like, what's the point of being average? I don't want to be normal. I don't want to be seen as a normal kid, because you just blend in. Nobody really, you know, oh, that's Dukes. Like walking down the street, like, oh, that's Dukes, or just, oh, that's a regular guy. Like, I want to be known as something. I want to be known to change lives. That's my goal, honestly, in all this, is just to change as many lives as I can. But I'm rambling sometimes about different stuff. But yeah, I mean, back to trading, like these past couple weeks been super choppy, but we found our way out. And I told my Discord, I was like, pat yourself on the back. Like, we have been going through the weirdest market conditions ever the past couple months, and we are still profitable. If you're looking at this and you're still profitable, or if you're at the break-even stage, or even if you're unprofitable, pat yourself on the back, because you're still here trying. You're still trying to become a profitable day trader during the hardest time in the market, when price action is super weird. One, because of the election, the tariffs, you know, the news, the FOMC stuff like that. Like, pat yourself on the back, because you're still trying. You're still, you know, not quitting. And I always say, like, if you cannot, like, there's literally no way you could fail if you don't quit. You can't. It's physically impossible. So, yeah, I mean, just being here on this balcony and in this area and being happy where I'm at right now is just the best feeling, because I have wanted peace for so long. And, you know, I've been through a lot. I'm not saying, you know, I had a terrible childhood, but, like, I've been through a lot, and where I've came, I never really think about it, because I'm always thinking ahead. Like, I'm proud of myself. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. I really am. But I'm so hard on myself that I never think about it. And when people tell me, it's like, really, you think so? But I just don't think I'm where I want to be yet. And that's what keeps me going every single day. And just, you know, sitting out here, filming myself talk to nobody is like something that I would have probably thought was weird a couple years ago. And it's crazy to see what I'm doing right now. Like, I would never think I'd be doing this right now. I'm not gonna lie, I used to be stuck, you know, I was stuck in life mentally, physically, health-wise, friendship-wise, relationship-wise. Like, I was deep, you know, I was in the dumps, I'm not gonna lie. So the fact that I knew there was light at the end of the tunnel, just subconsciously, because I always believed in myself, kept me going. And I feel like that's what a lot of people, you know, need to hear, that you are able to do whatever you want in life. Like, seriously, like, look at me. I want to be living proof for that. And that's what I want all my supporters and viewers to know. Like, you could accomplish anything you want in life. You really could. And the fact that I've actually went and took action to achieve my goals, I'm really happy about. And that's what keeps me going. But yeah, life's crazy, bro. Like, I'm sitting here at midnight and just talking to a imaginary person right now, basically. You know, I love it, bro. I'm happy, bro. I'm happy that I'm doing this. I'm happy that I've crossed boundaries comfortability wise in my life to be able to do something like this. Like, I've always had a fear of public speaking, you know, filming myself in public even, and doing this is like, you know, people are probably watching me from my balcony right now, but it's just the little goals, the little wins you have in life every single day are really going to compound and make you so much happier, and give you just everything you want in life. Because once you achieve those goals that you've been thinking about for a while, it's like the dopamine burst. It's like you have all the happiness in the world because you achieved it yourself. And that's the kind of dopamine I'm chasing, right? That's the kind of dopamine I want to chase. Obviously my phone is a big problem because I work through my phone and I get dopamine from my phone. I swear it's terrible. I know I'm cooked, guys. I swear I'm trying to get my screen time down, but it's bad. Like, it's bad. But like, I work on my phone 24/7. Like, that's my work. So I don't know where to cross the line, but that, like, talking about dopamine, like, I get dopamine from scrolling on TikTok. Like, I'm one of you guys. Like, I scroll on TikTok sometimes too, and I scroll on Reels like that. It's funny, bro. I love it. Like, winding down at night, but yeah, it's not great for you, but that's just not the dopamine I want, and I'm trying to fix that. Like, I'm not perfect, obviously, and if you guys are out there, like, if you're watching this thinking like, oh, my life is perfect, you are wrong, bro. I'm an entrepreneur. My work day doesn't end. It's midnight right now, so I'm literally like, it's funny because traders are like, yeah, we're trading to escape the 9 to 5, but I'm like, we escape the 9 to 5 literally just to work 24/7. Isn't that, like, that's insane? I don't understand, like, but I love it. That's the difference. Like, I love doing this. I love working because it's just what I want to do. And I love trading because it's just what I want to do. Also, the fact that I'm able to give my strategy that I created to, like, random people that are not random to me now. They're my students, my mentorship students, obviously. They learn my strategy with me one-on-one, and I change their lives one-on-one, which is something I've always wanted to do. One-on-one with people, just changing their lives. Like, it's crazy that I could do that. I would have never thought. I don't know. It just seems crazy to me that I'm one-on-one changing people's lives for the better, financially, you know, discipline-wise, motivational-wise, stuff like that. And I'm super blessed about that. I really, you know, am achieving what I said I was going to do. And that's just a big win in my head. And if you're watching this and you're a struggling day trader, if you're a struggling person in general, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's something that is worth staying there for and working every day on whatever you want to do in life. You know, working at it every single day, because it's worth it. No matter how long it takes, it's going to be worth it. And I'm here to tell you, like, money, cars, jewelry aside, like, this is fire. Like, being able to do this whenever I want, it is worth it, bro. It's worth it. You know, being a profitable day trader, changing my life through that, it gives me the freedom to do whatever I want. So, yeah, guys, I mean, that's just, I don't want to keep this, I don't want to talk for too long because I could yap forever. You guys know that. But I just wanted to give some quick motivation, some quick, you know, thoughts, what I'm thinking about. Drake is the best rapper of all time. We all know that. And we are going to make a lot of money this next week. I'm calling it. We're having an undefeated week. The week of June 2nd, we are having an undefeated week. I'm calling it right now. I'm posting this probably before then. So I'll probably look stupid if we don't go undefeated. But hey, man, it doesn't matter. You know, we're profitable, we're happy, we're healthy, and we have a good relationship with God. That's all that matters in life. I will see you guys next time in my next YouTube video. Peace out.